Welcome back to Finance Investor Lab. The Fed just cut rates again, but this time without inflation data. That's never happened before. Today I'll break down what just happened, why Japan's crisis matters to your wallet, and 3 moves to profit from the chaos. Stay till the end. Hook data, live. At 2 p.m., yet yesterday the Fed dropped rates 0.25%, the third cut this year. But here's the twist. October jobs data was canceled, government shutdown, so they're flying blind. Within 20 minutes, the 10-year yield fell 12 BPS. Mortgage rates just dipped 0.15%. That 120 months saved on a 400K loan. Japan carried trade. Simple analogy. Picture this. For 30 years, traders borrowed yen at 0.5%, bought US treasuries at 5%. Easy 4% profit. Now Japan is raising rates to save its economy. That free money is drying up. Billions of dollars flow back to Japan, selling US bonds, stocks, crypto. Short-term negative for markets, long-term opportunity for us. What about my mortgage? Q, should I refinance now? A, yes, but lock today, float later. Most lenders give 30-day free lock. If rates drop again, you relock once. I just locked 6.85%. If they fall, I win. If they rise, I'm protected. Free option. Use it. Live numbers. Screen ready. Today's snapshot. 10 WAR yield, 4.18%, $4.06%, 20 almond drop. 30-year mortgage, 6.99%, 6.84%. Fed dot plot, only one more cut in 2026. They think economy is strong. Window closes fast, act within 7 days. Stocks versus crypto. Q, will stocks crash? A, history says no. Last 3 recessions, markets dip 15%, then rally 40%. Average drop, Dow Jones 15.6%, last 72 days. We're 11% down, statistically near bottom. Dollar cost average, post panic, sell. Bitcoin angle, live data. Bitcoin never below electrical cost, 71K. Median drop since 2017, 40%. We're 38% down. Statistical entry zone. Leverage liquidations cause cascades. Spot buying wins long term. Personal take, trust. I'm DCA every Friday. $200 auto buy via Gemini card, 4% back on gas. Bitcoin earned appreciated 279% on average last year. I don't time, I accumulate. Comment locked when you secure your rate. I'll randomly pay 1 appraisal fee. Like, subscribe. See you in the next update. Like, saved you money? Smash that. Like, share with a friend who pays rent. And subscribe. The Fed moves fast, and so do we. Finance Investor Lab. See you in the next one.